see the depths of hell, bitch. I've been on my shit, yeah, I'm destined to rebel, bitch. Only motherfucker with the vision to excel, bitch. Fuck all of the hating, I ain't worried about no broke, bitch. Taking hella drugs, don't give a fuck, I'm on my gang shit. Most of these pussy motherfuckers ain't about it. Steady making money, I'm addicted, it's a habit. Call one of your bitches, got it jumping like a rabbit. Fucked around and blew a couple bands, ain't no capping. Walked into the kitchen and my homies, they be trapping. Look into my eyes, motherfucker, I'm the captain. We don't fuck with tubs, bitch, they'll never catch us lacking.
Dinner with the wifey. Delish. What are you gonna get?
Some bomb ass pasta.
And a drink?
This right here, I'm gonna drink. Get more intoxicated, you know. Everything looks bomb.
We're just hungry.
For real. Can I have everything?
If you guys come to Olive Garden, make sure to order the spicy shrimp breaded. And this buffalo sauce, bro, delicious. As you can tell, I'm not much of a salad guy. But this, bomb.
Who is he?
Watch the TV!
No!
What's up, YouTube? So, we're in Scottsdale right now, on our way to fix my dad's flex. I guess he got stranded this morning. Came to help him see what happened. Turns out his battery terminal, the positive one, it was so corroded that it ended up snapping. So it wasn't getting any current. He couldn't turn on his car. So we're like, well, let's, take it off, disconnect it, we'll get you a new one. Came to AutoZone. They didn't have it. They said only the dealership. Only the dealership had it. So luckily there was a dealership like 5 minutes down the road. We went to the dealership. They had it, but they had to order it from a different dealership, which was gonna take a while. And they couldn't give us just the piece that we needed. They needed us to sell us. They had to sell us the whole harness. Long story short, we ended up buying the whole harness, which ended up costing about $360, even though we didn't need it all. But we needed it to make the car work, so my dad had to buy it. That was around like 11 in the morning. It's already like 2:40 right now, and we just came back because the piece finally came in. So now we're gonna switch it out. And yeah, show you. Y leche llena, pa. Alright, so we're at the car, guys. Since the car has no battery, we have to do this little secret. You guys didn't know? You guys want to have one of these? You gotta push on right here, slide out this little plastic piece, and boom, a key pops out. It's a little trick for you guys if you guys didn't know. If you guys don't have a key, probably need your key fob. So this is the whole harness that they sold us, even though all we needed was this little piece right here. So this right here is what broke off on the old one, and all we needed was this little terminal, but they couldn't just sell us the terminal, so they had to sell us the whole harness. Ended up costing like $360. They said it's better just to switch it out anyways, but for now we're just gonna take this off and replace it on the original one. Note to self, always make sure your battery terminals don't get corroded so this doesn't happen.
And you don't get charged $366.
Yeah. Don't get waxed, people. Right, so we got the piece off. Now it's just to reinstall it. Like this. This goes in here. That's there. The actual battery terminal in here. This connected in here. This bolt times out that, so we'll get that.
Right here you can see how much corrosion there was. There was a lot more than that, but wire scraper or whatever it is.
Wire brush.
Wire brush got that bit.
It's tightened down. We got this over here. That gets tightened down. That should be it. Let's see what turns up.
It lives.
Oh,
Perfect.
it lives. Oh, wait, take off the keychain.
I gotta drive the Flex, so that's cool.
Put the box in the Flex. Now that that's good, then I'll go drop off the Flex to my dad. Does that work? I'm gonna follow my brother so I can pick him up. Call my dad and tell him, meet him in the back, switch the keys. And now we gotta take my mom's car back to her because my dad took her car to get to work.
Subscribe to my channel.
Alright, back on the road.
Welcome back again. This time it's a car vlog, real quick. We gotta just come smoke and get a little Cheyenne gangster, a little chocolate from the store, real quick.
Hey, just a quick shout out. Me and my homie right here, little brother, Southside Menace. We're gonna be coming up real soon, so you better be watching out for our names, music-wise. Just wait. So this big ass company, dude, they work with Sony Pictures, like they work with a lot in like films, movies. They make the songs for movies and shit, like commercials. Like
How do they know Tony?
Because Tony knows them. Dude, he was 21 Savage, he knew Migos before they got famous and shit. Like he knows. And he was telling me that the guy that made the beats, like he was saying like, oh, like we're gonna work with him, right? But then he's like, no, you work with them. Like you know more than I do. He's like, you've been in the game more than I have. He's like, you know the ropes and you know how to deal with all this like business shit. So I told him like, okay, like I'll take over. That's why he's gonna pay for the studio time and shit. I'm only gonna have to like put in invest for my like promotions, like to promote my shit, like on Spotify or like anywhere else. But they're gonna deal with all the production and shit.
We're just gonna have to throw in.
Like put in money.
That's what he told me.
Yeah, 'cause nothing's free. If you really want it, dude, like, so like, he showed us, dude, it's not bullshit. Like, it's legit shit.